Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into 7 fruits that could potentially help combat cancer. Remember, no single food can cure or completely prevent cancer, but these fruits are packed with powerful compounds that might just reduce your risk. Let's get started. First up, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Rich in flavonoids and anthocyanins, these little gems protect cells from oxidative stress, a key player in cancer development. Studies even show they can inhibit cancer cell growth and slow down cancers like breast, colon, and esophageal. Amazing, right? Next, citrus fruits. Think oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. Packed with vitamin C, these fruits are not just immune boosters, but also cancer fighters. Vitamin C neutralizes free radicals, those pesky molecules that damage cells. Plus, compounds like flavonoids and liminoids have shown anti-cancer effects, particularly in the digestive system. Moving on to apples. These everyday fruits are a fiber and flavonoid combo. Fiber helps maintain digestive health and might reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. And flavonoids like quercetin have anti-inflammatory and anti-proliferative properties, which can prevent the spread of cancer cells, especially in the lungs and colon. Now let's talk about pomegranates. These are a treasure trove of polyphenols, especially ellagitannins and punicalagins. With strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, these compounds can inhibit cancer cell growth and promote apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancers like prostate, breast, and colon. Don't forget about grapes, especially red and purple ones. They're packed with resveratrol, a potent antioxidant known for its cancer-fighting properties. Resveratrol inhibits cancer cell growth, prevents tumor formation, and blocks pathways that cancer cells use to grow and spread. It's been studied extensively in breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Papaya is up next. This enzyme-rich fruit contains papain and antioxidants like beta-carotene, lycopene, and vitamin C. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to cancer development. Lycopene specifically is associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Plus, papaya's enzymes may aid in protein digestion, potentially reducing colon cancer risk. Lastly, pineapple. This tropical delight is rich in bromelain, a mixture of enzymes with anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Bromelain helps inhibit tumor growth and promotes apoptosis. Plus, antioxidants like vitamin C and manganese protect cells from damage. So, while these fruits won't cure cancer, including them in your diet can provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that support overall health and may reduce your cancer risk. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices are crucial in the fight against cancer. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Incorporate these 7 fruits into your diet for a delicious way to help protect your body. Stay healthy and be mindful of what you eat. See you next time.